Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you Valorant Error Code VAN79 fix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, the first thing you want to do here is you want to open up services. So it's in this case, at the bottom left, you want to just type into search, just type in services and open it up. Now from here, we need to look for a specific service. So in this case, just click one of the following items here. Press on V on your keyboard, you should be able to see VGC. Let's go ahead and double click on it, and what you need to do is you need to change the start type here and make sure it's set to automatic. Now also, if VGC is actually turned off, make sure to click on the start option here to start VGC. And once you've done that, click on OK. And from here on, what we need to do next is we need to use CMD. Let's go and close services here. Again, at the bottom left, let's go ahead and choose search. Just type in CMD. Once you right click on it, you want to click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to enter the following, which is in this case going to be net sh space win sock reset. Now press and enter. It's going to say fully reset the WinSock catalog here. So next you want to do is you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Press and enter. Once you've done that, what we need to do is we need to close the CMD here, and you want to restart your PC. Now, once you restart your PC, go to your bottom left here. It's just type in update, and here go ahead and click on check for updates. Now, if you see any updates on your PC, go ahead and install every update that you see. So in this case, just click on check for updates and wait for the update to be completed. Now in this case, once you've done that, again, restart your PC and start up Valorant and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.